Have you ever pondered the mystery of how a normal cell morphs into a cancer cell? This transformative process is both fascinating and complex, and today we're going to unravel it piece by piece. First off, let's get a grasp on what a cell is. Imagine a bustling city teeming with activities. That's what a cell is like. It's a microcosm of life, with various components diligently performing their roles. A cell has its own city hall, the nucleus, where the DNA resides, providing instructions for every function the cell performs. Now, under normal circumstances, cells follow a proper life cycle. They grow, perform their functions, replicate, and eventually they retire and die off, making way for new cells. This process, known as apoptosis, maintains the balance necessary for healthy bodily function. But what happens when things go awry? When a cell refuses to die and keeps replicating unchecked, that's where cancer begins. Cancer isn't an overnight phenomenon. It's a process, a series of mutations that gradually turn a normal cell into a rogue one. So how does this happen? Step 1. Initiation. This is where a cell's DNA is damaged. This damage could be caused by various factors, including exposure to harmful substances like tobacco smoke or radiation, or even inherited genetic flaws. Step 2. Promotion. The cell with the damaged DNA begins to replicate. It doesn't heed the body's signals to stop growing and dividing. Instead, it forms a mass of cells, often called a tumor. Step 3. Progression. The cells in the tumor become more abnormal and less like the body's normal cells. They start to invade nearby tissues and spread to other parts of the body, and voila! That's how a normal cell transforms into a cancer cell. To summarize, the transformation from a normal cell to a cancer cell involves a series of steps. It starts with the initiation, where the cell's DNA gets damaged. Then the promotion stage follows, where the damaged cell begins to grow and divide uncontrollably. Finally, in the progression stage, the cells become more abnormal and start to invade other parts of the body. Understanding this process is crucial, not just for medical students or professionals, but for everyone, because awareness is the first step towards prevention and early detection, which are key in the fight against cancer. So the next time you ponder the mysteries of life, remember, even at the smallest level, the transformation from normalcy to abnormality is a complex, intricate process, and knowing how it works might just save a life one day.